The wireless keypad for our garage door was not working half the time. After doing some research and troubleshooting, it was obvious that some of the numbers are not working. The solution given is to reprogram the remote to different numbers, which is easily done if you know which numbers are not working. Supposedly they wear out from constant use, but I decided to take it apart anyway. It was surprising to see some oxidation on some of the numbers on the control board. Right here there's some green stuff. Some of it is crusted on there. So using some steel wool grade 000, it's very fine. Here you can actually clean glass on your car with this stuff and it won't scratch it. So I wiped off the oxidation. This must have got some moisture in here somehow. Maybe when I pressure cleaned the garage door a while back, or during one of the rainstorms we had. And also noticed some of it back at the rubber keypad as well. After wiping it down real well, I put it back together. And before putting back the batteries, I put a light coat of cooking oil on the battery terminals. I like doing this to keep them from corroding and not making contact eventually. In case this doesn't work for some of you out there, you can always reprogram the password to different numbers. But it's good to know how to fix them if you want, because eventually you're going to run out of numbers. It looks like it worked. So I hope this helps someone out there, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment. And hope you all have a great day.